today we are here, Six Flags,
You're going the right way.
Whitewater. That's what I'm saying. Why you look different? People going there.
How's that handicap?
We are here, Six Flags Whitewater. What is that called? Whitewater, is it? Me too. I don't know. The watercolor. Wow, look at that cheeseburger.
So we can
1,
get.
2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 9.
We're gonna get a cheeseburger with fries. I think that's our meal.
Oh, done?
So we could get it now and then we can get.
Ah, 1 meal.
Because we need to get it now because every 90 minutes it resets.
Ah, Yubo, when I look at our website, I thought only 1 meal a
No.
day.
So let's go get our meal.
Really?
Yep. Are you hungry now, princess?
No.
Well, you have to eat anyways.
Why?
No, so you don't want to go right now,
No.
yeah?
So I'm saying you have to use it.
Eating time. Oh, baby can have
Yeah,
it?
absolutely.
Yubo, cutting and then half for you, half for baby.
Give me.
Do you have a knife?
I'm getting utensils.
Okay. Wow, look at daddy. Smart way. No, daddy, you need
Go get
it.
some.
Okay.
So before I leave, tell them. What's the time now?
Yeah. Checking the yoko.
$15, $12.
이렇게. sorry. Give me drink.
First time being strangled.
Bye bye. See you soon. Black River Falls. Go. Yeah.
Here, take our.
They follow them. Yep. Give me shoes.
Okay, look it. We're after these kids.
Okay. I'm waiting my husband and actually I cannot go because Kate. My hip is pain. I cannot go water park. I mean I cannot ride in all water park slide thing. So sad. So how's it?
Not bad.
That one better? The first one?
That one's bad.
How about this one?
That's alright.
Ah, just all around. Let's go two more. go keep walk that way. I'm gonna carry my stuff.
No, get your slippers.
Slipper.
Oh no, we're just gonna get the slippers so we carry it from up because you still need to carry all that.
Wow. Ashley won. Oh my God, Daddy fly away. Oh my goodness. Are you okay? 여보, are you okay? 저 튜브 바이바이. Daddy fly away. Oh my God. 네, follow Daddy. Go highway. See you soon.
We go this way, right?
Ooh. Nice. Oh, good job. Oh, I miss Daddy. I miss Daddy. Yeah, put it there. Nobody gonna take it.
Yeah, who was the first time?
Yeah, here. Bye bye. See you soon.
No, go ahead.
Wow. What, Daddy? You crazy? Yay! Is the Daddy next to you? Look at. Oh, boog. How's this one? Faster, no faster? Huh? Baby, how was it?
See me?
Huh? Whew, my legs. Hurry.
Ayan.
Getting the handy grandma. Getting grandma. Racing.
What? Little kid, okay?
Okay, you go have fun.
Go play.
Go.
No, I want to go to the lazy river first.
You should go faster. Oh my goodness, I like that.
Go
Sure.
check it out.
Go.
Go bring the camera. Go.
Why?
So we get on video. Crazy.
No, you're coming with me.
No, go.
You need a kid like you. Hey, not camera angle. Oh wow.
Go play.
Everything.
Yeah, go play.
Oh, I like it. Oh yeah, you need to put that one up, the green color one. Come here. Oh, we're going.
Did you get that? Stop making it.
Is that everything? Go slide over there. Oh, this is so cute.
There's a little slide over there. I want to see
No, not talking about. I'm talking about the green color. Who say that? Ah. Where are we?
I want to see the exit.
Working? See people there.
No.
No?
Those are the kiddie parks.
Oh. Oh, there you are. That over the green color.
No, it's working. Nothing.
Working?
Something is.
The people there are making sure.
Yeah.
Daddy, you go try too.
Underneath it.
That's high, nice in there.
Underneath the height. Thank you.
So cute. This is remind me Eddie built the cute area. What come on, crazy? Where are you going? Oh, yeah, but she wants to go this one.
Go place, yeah?
Why?
Give me slipper. Go, pali, pali. Just walk around everywhere and chup, chup, chup. That's it. I go. Oh, take it here, drink. Lay, baby. Yeah, just go everything. We are eating.
We are eating. Oh my gosh, this is so mind blowing emoji.
So do again the face.
Can I put this in your thing?
Lazy liver. Finally, I'm on the water. By myself. My husband watching my stuff. Just a little bit swim is good for my hip exercise. Keep it up. Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Huh?
Did you have fun? Bye bye. Sexy fly. Baby, next to you? Or what? I don't know. subscribe me. Don't forget the thumbs up